Welcome back, Tech Neighbors. This is Muzaffar Ismail from TechNave.com, and today we'll be doing the unboxing and hands-on for the ASUS ZenFone Max Plus. Priced at Rm899, the ASUS ZenFone Max Plus packs in a 16 megapixel front camera and a 5.7-inch HD Plus display with 720x1440 pixel resolution. The display obviously dominates the body, but the tall and slim design means that it is quite nice to hold. On the side, there is the premium metal frame, metal power button, and volume rocker with circular designs. The back is more or less anti-fingerprint metal, but it is also quite slippery. An inset rear fingerprint sensor is easily reachable, while a slightly raised camera hump contains a 16 megapixel camera and a 8 megapixel 120-degree wide-angle camera with LED flash on the side. On the bottom there is a micro USB port and speaker grills, while the other side has nothing except the hybrid Nano SIM Plus micro SD slot. On the top there is a 3.5mm jack. You can unlock the phone directly with the rear fingerprint sensor, or turn it on first and use the face unlock. Running on a MediaTek MT6750T processor and 4GB of RAM, the ZenFone Max Plus is quite zippy, while the large 4130 mAh battery has already been on for the past 2 days, with another 1 day or so to go. Like other ASUS ZenFone 4 smartphones, you can switch between the 16 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel 120-degree wide-angle camera anytime. Camera features are basic, but at least there is a Pro or manual mode included. There's also various effects and a portrait mode which you can switch between the two cameras, along with HDR mode and an 18:9 aspect ratio mode as well. The front camera has Beautify as usual, and while there isn't any front LED flash, the screen shines white before a selfie shot to provide a sort of soft light. Front camera features are basic as well. Initial performance is quite good with smooth moves in Shadowfight 3, but we had to cut down visual quality settings to reduce lag in Asphalt 8 Airborne. Multimedia quality is set at 720p with fairly loud speakers. At Rm899, the ASUS ZenFone Max Plus offers a good mix of value for money features like the 5.7-inch 18:9 aspect ratio display, 4GB of RAM, big 4130 mAh battery, and 16 megapixel front and back cameras. But for a more in-depth review, stay tuned to TechNave.com, and thank you very much for watching.